Let's get right into the video, guys. This actually works and it's super insane, bro.
Hey guys, so a lot of people do want Tinder Gold, so today I'm going to show you guys how to get Tinder Gold for free. So as you can see, guys, we can upgrade, but it's going to be like $70 a week, but since I have developer mode in the mod, I can bypass this and it will give me all the Tinder Gold features for free. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see, and then I'm going to show you how to get this mod so you can have free Tinder Gold. So let's just give it a second here for this to go ahead and load up. As you can see, I have 100 boosts, all this stuff. Control my profile, control sees me, passport to any location, 5 super likes a day, rewind last swipe. So I'm going to show you guys how to get all this for free. So literally, guys, just type this website, tweakmod.com. All right, so now type Tinder. There it is. Press install on the mod, and it's going to start downloading. So before it downloads, it's going to be one more step, verification. So this is the last step. You just need to download 2 apps, follow instructions. They're 100% free, guys, from official app stores. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long. So yeah, let's just give it a second for this to load up. We should be all good to go, my gang. That's how we roll. So that's free Tinder Gold, guys, 2025 method. So yes, now we are in the last step, which is the verification, and we just need to download 2 of these apps. So you don't have to do all of them, just 2. So like Family Island says reach level 11, so it's a game, so I could do that. Or I could do like TikTok, which just says download for 30 seconds. Underdog, it's easy. They're mostly easy apps, but that's how I get Tinder Gold for free, guys. So all the features are here: unlimited likes, control the line, control sees you, all this stuff. So it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but if you guys do want Tinder Gold for free, you've got to try this method out. It's super wild and it's totally legit.